Welcome to my channel, The Nutritious Bite. Healthy choices for healthier life. Ever wondered what your body actually needs if you eat 2,000 calories a day? Let's break it down so you can fuel your body like a pro. Number 1. Carbs. Your main energy, 45 to 65% of your calories should come from carbs. That's about 225 to 325 grams a day. Choose whole grains, fruits, and veggies for steady energy. Number 2. Protein. The builder, 10 to 35% of your calories go to protein, 50 to 175 grams daily. Think beans, eggs, fish, or nuts to repair and build muscle. Number 3. Fats. The brain food. 20 to 35% of calories should be healthy fats, 44 to 78 grams. Avocado, olive oil, and seeds keep your brain and hormones happy. Number 4. Fiber, the digestive hero. Don't forget your 25 to 30 grams of fiber for smooth digestion and gut health. Number 5. Micronutrients, the hidden power. Get your daily dose of calcium 1300 mg, iron 18 mg, potassium 4700 mg, vitamin C 75 to 90 mg, vitamin D 20 microgram, sodium less than 2300 mg, and sugar less than 50 gram to keep your body running like a well-oiled machine. Remember, it's not just about calories, it's about the quality of what you eat. Eat smart, stay strong. Thanks for watching. If you love learning about healthy eating and nutrition, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a new tip. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video.